Hi, grade 5. So this is a small review about what we've already been doing in the classroom with adding fractions with unlike denominators. So I wanted to remind you of what we've been doing. So let's say, for example, we had 2/4 plus 1/7. Since the denominators are not common or they're unlike, we have to make them like. And what we said a good strategy for us to find a common multiple between 4 and 7. So we did a t-chart, right, of 28. So we will grab each one of them separately. We're going to do a long fraction line, right? And we're going to make the denominator 28. Now I ask myself, how many times do I multiply 4 to become a 28? So I will multiply it 7 times. And now since I multiply my denominator with 7, I'll do my numerator with 7. So it will be 14/28. So it means I can replace 2/4 now with 14/28. But I also have to finish a 7th long fraction line. I need to make it a 28, right? So to do that, I will need to multiply by 4. I do my numerator by 4 as well, which is 4. So now I can replace a 7 with 4/28. So 14/28 will give me our new answer, which will be 18/28. And this is the answer to our problem. Now, if I go to my answer, which was 18/28, what I can think in order to simplify, I need the greatest common factor, which means what is the biggest number that can divide 18 and 28. So in this situation, the biggest number that can divide 18 and 28 is 2. So I will produce an equivalent fraction by dividing them both by 2. And to simplify this, 18 divided by 2 is 9. And 28 divided by 2 is 14. And there you go, you have your answer in a simplified version. Alright, grade 5, let's take a look now on how subtracting works with unlike denominators. Let's say we had 4 out of 5 minus 1 out of 15. We will follow the same approach as addition, and we're noticing that the denominators are unlike, so we will need to find a like denominator. In this situation, we're lucky because I have 5 and 15, and I know that 5 has 15 as a multiple, so that's great. This is our common multiple, so we will only have to convert 4/5. So we're gonna grab 4/5 and make a long fraction line. We're gonna say 4 out of 5, how many out of 15? So to convert this into 15s, we will need to multiply the denominator by 3. 5 times 3, 15. I will do the same with my numerator. 4 times 3, 12. Now we're ready to subtract. I have 12 15s minus 1 15, which will get us to 11 out of 15, and this is our final answer.